is Dave with Aqualife Ponds. What I wanted to talk to you about today is waterfalls. Who doesn't like a waterfall? When I was a kid, I think I was about 5 years old, I was born in Santa Barbara, and the first best thing I thought was better than Disneyland that I saw was a waterfall. My dad and some of his buddies took me out hiking in the Santa Barbara mountains, and I was in love. So it turns out I'm a nature freak, and I couldn't get enough of waterfalls. That's like my thing. Who doesn't want a waterfall in their yard? So waterfall building is an art. It's not something that anyone can do, and it took me years, and we do an immense amount of training on learning how to be an artist, and that's what it takes to build a waterfall. So we build waterfalls in the ponds, or really cool, we've got the Pondless waterfall. If all you want is a waterfall into a screen, something like that. We have a closed system, goes to an underground reservoir, ridiculously low maintenance, like pretty much zero. No, I can't say zero, nothing zero, but it's almost there. There's like nothing to do. And you've got that sound, the birds come, and we can do that. If you're really into birding, we know situations to create to attract the birds to come in. And also, we've got a variable flow on our remote controls, so you can turn it down, turn it up, turn it off, have it lit up at nighttime, and there's all different types of sounds with waterfalls. So it's really important to create a melody, high pitches, low pitches, gurgles, and it's just kind of music to the ears. So if you're needing a waterfall in your life, because I know you are, give us a call. This is Dave with Aqualife Ponds. Enjoy life. Thank you.